Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use visual lookup on iPhone to identify plants and pets. This feature is available on iPhone starting with XS and XR models, with iOS at least version 15.5. And to use it, basically all you have to do is open your library, then either open a video and pause it on a moment when you see a particular plant or pet, or just open a photo with a pet on it. And once iPhone recognizes a pet on this photo, you will see the info icon or the pet icon at the bottom bar of your of the photo. Just tap on it and then select look up your plant or pet, and you will see the results about this breed of this pet, and you will also see some similar web images. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.